48W LED nail lamp, Diozo portable nail dryer manicure pedicure curing lamp with 30s 60s 99s timer plus anti-UV gloves gift suitable for fingernails and toenails, home, and salon. Product content: 1 nail lamp plus 1 power adapter with plug plus 1 anti-UV gloves, gift, plus 1 nail files, gift, plus 1 manual, 12-month quality assurance and friendly lifelong customer service. Portable and light nail lamp, LED nail lamp is only 227 grams. This nail dryer is made of anti-break ABS material, which is half lighter than other competitors with same power. It's a perfect pocket nail lamp for school, office, home use, and travel. Professional design of LED nail lamp, 48W UV+ LED lamp has new professional design with UV+LED dual light source. Nail dryer is applicable to curing almost all nail gels without dead zone. The light is closer to white light and no harm to eyes and skin. No need to replace bulbs, 50,000 hours long-lasting LED light beads are evenly distributed inside. It would help to cure gel nail polish uniformly, but won't hurt your skin. Multifunctional and smart, 3-timer setting, 30s, 60s, 99s, can easily control the curing time, and time will be displayed on the big LCD screen. Auto sensor for switching on/off without pressing any buttons. Application range: the big enough space of LED nail lamp can cure 5 fingernails or toenails in one time, ideal for home and salon use. And it also can be a perfect gift for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, birthday, Christmas, and wedding anniversary. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.